Okay, so I have been talking to my clients. Okay, so I'm literally gonna do this while I get ready with my baby in my hands. But I have been talking to my clients very heavily on the topic of AI, and a few of them are corporate, a few of them are entrepreneurs, because I live and swim in both lanes. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. One of them brought up an interesting fact, and if they're watching this, I love you very much. But they brought up to a fact that their child did not want to do